Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your OPPO Find X3 Pro. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the Easy Fax app. Install it and open. Remember that you have your free credits banner, you have to restart the application to show it again. So we have to add a permission to the camera and to the files. Now click on the plus and choose Sort Every Document. If you're ready, click on the icon. Now you can choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click Accept. Now type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.